What are the biggest payload mass limits in rocket technology? Imagine sending a spacecraft so powerful that it can carry an entire small city into space. That's the kind of capability we're talking about when it comes to the largest payload limits in rocket technology. These limits determine how much weight a rocket can push into orbit or beyond, shaping what kind of missions are possible. The most impressive rockets today can lift enormous amounts of cargo, from large satellites to space station modules and even crewed missions to the Moon or Mars. The current leader in payload capacity is SpaceX's Starship. When used in a fully reusable mode, it can carry up to 150 metric tons into low Earth orbit. If it's used in an expendable mode, where the booster isn't recovered, it can carry up to 250 metric tons. That's enough to send huge amounts of equipment or supplies in a single launch. Starship has a 9-meter diameter and high-thrust engines, making it the most powerful rocket built so far. Its design aims to support missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, with the ability to carry large crews and cargo. Next is NASA's Space Launch System, which is designed for deep space missions. Its initial versions can lift more than 27 metric tons to lunar orbit. Future versions, called Block 1B and Block 2, aim for payload capacities up to 46 metric tons. The SLS has a large fairing, up to 8.4 meters wide, so it can carry big and complex payloads. It is mainly used for Artemis lunar missions and future deep space exploration. China's Long March series also has impressive capabilities. The Long March 5 can deliver about 25 metric tons to low Earth orbit. China is developing the Long March 9, which aims to lift around 150 metric tons. If successful, this would make it one of the most powerful rockets, capable of supporting crewed lunar missions planned for the 2030s. United Launch Alliance's Vulcan rocket, with its solid rocket boosters called GEM 63XL, can lift about 10.8 metric tons to low Earth orbit without boosters. With all 6 boosters attached, it can carry roughly 27.2 metric tons. This flexibility allows it to handle a variety of satellite and payload sizes. Finally, the Falcon 9 from SpaceX can carry about 22.8 metric tons to low Earth orbit. It is famous for being the first reusable orbital rocket, which has helped lower launch costs and increase access to space. In summary, the biggest payload limits today are set by SpaceX's Starship, capable of carrying up to 250 metric tons in expendable mode. NASA's Space Launch System can lift up to 46 metric tons to lunar orbit, and China's Long March 9 aims for similar super heavy lift capabilities. These rockets open the door for larger, more complex missions, helping us explore further into space with fewer launches and bigger payloads.